Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the fuel level monitoring system with GPS tracking. This system includes a fuel sensor, a communication gateway NBSense, and a SIM card for data transmission and location tracking. The NBSense device collects data from the fuel sensor and tracks the vehicle real-time location through GPS. This information is sent to the cloud using the SIM card. Now we will understand the fuel tank. Before starting the installation, we first measure the height of the fuel tank because the sensor length is customized according to this. We also take the tank capacity, which is important to accurate fuel level reading and calibration. Installation of the fuel sensor. Now let's install the sensor. A hole is made of the top at the top of the tank for inserting the sensor. The sensor is placed vertically down to the bottom of the tank. Make sure it is tightly secured and properly sealed to avoid any fuel leakage. Installing the NBSense GPS gateway. Now we move to the driver cabin to install the communication device. The NBSense gateway is powered using the vehicle machine's battery supply. Simply connect the two power wires, one to the positive terminal and one to the negative. Once connected, the device will power on and you will see the indicator lights for both GSM and GPS. Now that everything is connected, insert the SIM card into the NBSense device. Wait for a few moments for device to acquire a GPS signal and connect to the network. Once connected, the device will start transmitting fuel level data and GPS to the cloud platform. How simple is it to install a fuel level monitoring system with GPS? This setup help you to track the both fuel level and vehicle location in real time, helping to improve fuel efficiency.
So as the installation of the hardware and sensor is complete, let me now demonstrate the system in real time where you can actively monitor your fleet's activities. This is the main dashboard or you can call it overview panel. Right here at the top, you can see the total number of vehicles categorized by their current state, moving, ideal, park and offline. On the right hand side, we have the driver summary, displaying the total number of drivers, how many are assigned and how many are currently idle. Below that, you will find a comprehensive table list which shows vehicle number, status, moving, ideal, park or offline, current speed, odometer reading, trip distance, total mileage, driver name and phone number, fuel level, and the last updated time or when the vehicle was last seen. There is also an actionable button labeled View which opens up detailed activity information for a specific vehicle. In this detailed view, the top right corner displays driver information. The left container shows the current activity includes fuel level, fuel economy, odometer, current speed, top speed of the trip, total running time, ideal time, and park time. The right container provides the vehicle history where you can filter by date, range, or see the last 24 hours of the data. This includes start and end fuel levels, fuel consumed, fuel refilled, fuel consumption per hour and per kilometer, total distance traveled. Down here, there is a graph section where you can switch between instantaneous, daily, or monthly views. The graph displays metrics like total distance, fuel consumed, fuel filled, fuel theft. We also have a current location view showing the real-time position, speed, and status of the vehicle via a custom marker on the map. And then there is a statistics section which provides even deeper insights into the trip status and use patterns. Lastly, we offer a built-in support system. So if you have any question or need assistance, you can easily reach out us. We are always here to help.